So, the CIO of your organization has an objective to pursue cloud modernization. He's tasked you with developing a comprehensive strategy and evaluating the cost savings. Researching cloud providers, their costs, and requirements is a good start to the modernization project. You may be asking yourself, what databases will the cloud provider support? Could changing the underlying database provide substantial license fee and support savings? Do we have skills in-house to support our database? Selecting a less expensive alternative to the current database requires converting the database to another type, or as we say, replatforming. To optimize performance, purging, scrubbing, and/or archiving data should be evaluated as well. That sounds like a lot of work, and you're most likely not sure who could reliably perform the task. Let's look at a typical replatforming project. Before you can even get started, you'd have to prep the data you want to migrate, which includes manually analyzing the data structure. This time-consuming process involves both IT and the business users. Selecting the ETL tool to convert the data. Everyone has their favorite tool. Developing and testing the scripts to convert the data. Building an environment management platform for database and scripts testing. Development and testing could take a long time to complete, increasing the project timeline and the budget. Once you've done all the prep work, you're finally able to get started with the replatforming. This outdated process usually includes acquiring the database to convert, the one you've already spent so much time prepping. Executing the manually written scripts process. Extracting, transforming, and loading the data object by object will be slow, time-consuming, and worst of all, very labor-intensive. And after all that, you hope there were no errors in developing them. Loading the data for testing and engaging the business users, costing more time and labor. Validating the data and correcting any data issues. It'll take time and several iterations to catch all the issues. Unless the project is managed with the utmost discipline, there could be a lot of confusion in accomplishing the replatforming, and you could spend a lot of money. At last, you can move the converted data to production, which normally takes weeks, and weeks, and weeks, and weeks. Then you can finally go live, holding your breath every step of the way. Or you can use Alchemize. Alchemize is a unique software solution that specializes in replatforming, automates the process, saves time, and most importantly, reliably manages the data. With Alchemize, the process is simplified. It's automated, including the prep work, making it quicker and far less expensive. Just acquire the database to convert, then set up connection, ingest a new database, run Alchemize Replatforming Wizard, load the data, then return the database with audit reports. Alchemize Replatforming Wizard is specifically designed to convert a database from one version to another. It's a little like sending your child to school for a day and they come out speaking a whole new language. It doesn't take months or years for the conversion, and it's done right the first time. We guarantee the results. Our team, or your team, with some training from Maxis, can deploy Alchemize to analyze and convert a database into a different format within hours, depending on the size, and you can be confident with the results. Easy reporting, ongoing job tracking, and a repeatable process makes dealing with the inevitable exceptions a breeze. As an enterprise data management solution, replatforming is just one of the capabilities of Alchemize. Don't forget, you may want to consider data scrubbing, purging, or archiving as you replatform the database and migrate to the cloud. Alchemize can handle all that too. For all your data challenges, Alchemize is your leading-edge enterprise data management solution. For more information about how Alchemize can revolutionize your cloud modernization process, go to maxistechnology.com or call 844-696-2947.